Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be starting a series that I've seen other YouTubers do, and that is the true size of. They take countries like the DRC or some countries near the equator. Indonesia is another popular one. Today we are going to be looking at some of these. So we're going to start off with Australia. It's already one of the largest countries, but I just want us to go ahead and put it on top of Russia. It is huge. Australia is a massive country. If you put it over the US, it can cover a majority of the contiguous 48. And if you put it over a country like India, who has infinitely more population, it's actually larger. Above China as well. It's massive, almost as large as China. And if you're from Europe or want some European comparison, it can cover a majority of the entire continent. And you wonder why it's considered a continent and not an island. Now, I support it being an island, but this is just massive. If we fit it in to take over Italy, yes, I know, Corsica, Sardinia, all of that, it can still fit in a majority of the continent. Another good example of this, some other countries near the equator. Let's do Indonesia, huh? In case you haven't seen it yet. It looks pretty small on the map. Let's take it up here over Europe. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. If we put it even more north here, let's make it go from London and see how far it can go. It goes all the way to Kyrgyzstan. From London to Kyrgyzstan. It spans the entirety of Europe, and if we put it above the US, it is longer than the entirety of the US. It can easily stretch from New York to Sacramento or San Francisco, Los Angeles, any of those. Easy. It can cover the this is huge. Absolutely massive. It can cover the entire gap here between South America and Africa, just with Indonesia. And that isn't even distorting it. If we do, it can span the entirety of the Atlantic Ocean. This country is huge. We put it up there next to Greenland. Massive. And actually, I think that's a good one to end it off on, Greenland. You see this massive country up here? It looks pretty much larger than Africa, doesn't it? Yeah. Let's put it down there. Oh, it's about the size of the DRC or Algeria. Greenland is huge, yes, but it is not nearly as big as they show. This is what you normally see. Bigger than Africa, right? You can take it down there. You'd need so many Greenlands. Actually, let's test that out. How many Greenlands do you need? Alright, let's take down another one. Oh, there we go. That's already 2. And for the record, one of these looks larger than Africa. Yep, still going. You know how in the beginning it looked like one of these could cover the entire country? Yeah, no, that's not turning out to be true now, is it? Oh, no. Oh, no. We are already, barely into Africa. We have put in so many Greenlands. Yeah, I'm going to fill this up. You can skip forward in the video if you want. I'm filling this up. I just want to show you the size comparison between the true size of Africa and Greenland. And next episode of this comparison, I'm just going to do one solely on African countries and how absolutely huge they are, despite nobody paying any attention to them. There we go. We're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 Greenlands. This, you need 11 of those to fit in Africa. Not 1, 11. Greenland may look huge, but Greenland is not huge. And with that, I think we can end this off. And I hope you guys enjoyed.